The killing of a 22-year-old Nigerian student and e-hailing driver Isaac, whose body was found outside Pretoria just weeks before his graduation and ahead of his 23rd birthday on 12 March, is not only a tragic loss but a wake-up call about the realities many young immigrants face while chasing opportunities abroad. As his father David reportedly required medical attention after identifying his son's body, and his family in Nigeria prepares for funeral and repatriation arrangements with a public support, this case highlights the risk tied to the gig economy, the vulnerability of foreign nationals working late hours, and the urgent need for stronger safety protections, accountability from e-hailing platforms, and community-driven solutions to ensure that no family has to endure such a devastating loss again. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.